Perhaps this workstation seems familiar to you, a setup that has delivered reliable performance for many years. But now it's time for a more modern generation, the Soyonik Guide. Imagine every PCB from your production being error-free and fully traceable, with new employees immediately productive. That is what the Soyonik Guide enables. The operator selects the appropriate test program on the touch display. With a 20-megapixel camera, we detect the presence and polarity of components down to 0.3 millimeters. The projector highlights the required material container clearly and without ambiguity. Interactive marking shows on the screen and workspace the relevant working area. Parallel or sequential work instructions guide the operator safely through the process, while the camera inspects and confirms automatically in real time. Material containers can be positioned anywhere. The projector identifies them automatically. The containers are marked with a QR code and linked to material and batch number for batch-level traceability. The combination of digital operator guidance and real-time inspection eliminates errors consistently and makes your THT assembly safe, efficient, and audit-proof. Incorrectly placed components are detected immediately and highlighted. Every process step is captured and documented at component level. Optimum, as developer, provides an all-in-one solution from a single source. Even the most complex processes are covered within our standard solution. Adjustments to your processes are possible at any time. What was not possible before is now standard.